What's up YouTube friends, this is a doorbell I purchased from Amazon. This is made by AVANTEK. It has two speaker modules. Literally there's no programming required whatsoever. You just plug these into your electric socket, and this is the bell itself, where the button itself, I would say, that gets installed wherever you want it to, say outside the door, or if you have an elderly person who would require some help, you can have that by their bed or something, and they can push the button and get your attention. So there's two modules. There's a whole lot of different kind of ringtones you can select along with the volume, which is kind of nice. So basically the battery, there's a small battery that's installed in here. So like I said, there's literally no programming required whatsoever, and this receiver is already programmed with these two modules, so they will ring simultaneously when they're plugged in. So I'm going to plug one of them in and show you how loud it is. So this goes right in the wall, and to give you an idea, there's a beep light that tells you it's on, and all you gotta do is there, it just works. And then if you want to change your ringtones or the volume, you can change it from the speaker module. So very simple, it just works, simple and elegant. Overall the build quality is very nice. I like the quality of it. Very simple design, and very easy to use. I'll leave the purchase link in the description of this video. I hope this will help you in making your purchase decision. I thank you for watching, guys.